Alright, this hack is for all my dirt bike guys who have dirt bikes like this CRF 250R. It is a motocross track bike. Man, this thing's not got a battery, no stator set up for running any 12-volt accessories. I'm going on a trip, I need a headlight. I need to figure out how to get a headlight on here. So I had an old pod light. Well, actually a spare pod light. It's brand new, but spare pod light that I got for a couple bucks, cheap, something from China. Got a little mount right here. Bolted it right up to my handguard, right? And then this hack is this is where it's all at right here. So you got these Milwaukee M12 batteries here, and they have a perfect stabbing connection for a spade connector. So you can get yourself some spade connectors here, take the insulation off of them, right? And they just jab right into the battery. So now you got a rechargeable battery source, 12 volts, amp and a half. You can get the bigger ones if you want, but I'm going to just take this and probably just stick this. I'm doing a run test right now to see how long this will run this light for. But I mean, I can put that battery right in my little fork bag here, or just ratchet or zip tie it to the handlebars or anything really. But there's so many options. But I mean, those things are super lightweight. You can carry 2 or 3 of them in your bag. So if you're out for a couple hours, this might be an option. You know, cool thing with this being mounted on your handlebars, doesn't matter which way you point it, it's going the right direction. So I'm pretty happy with it. Pretty stoked. This thing's solid. It ain't going nowhere. So just figure I'd throw that out there. Maybe somebody else like me is trying to figure out a simple solution. There you go.